My name is Alexander Mathias, and I play saxophone. The Red Line Horns. Practice. Yeah, I mean, definitely, as I tell my students, 10 minutes a day is better than 6 days, or 10 minutes a day for 6 days is better than 1 day for an hour. So just every day, just do like 10 minutes, just get the instrument and work on it and play some of your favorite songs or play a couple of scales or whatever it is, just to do it every day. And that kind of builds your confidence too, and once you're kind of, you're never gonna feel ready to if you're, to get out there and meet people and try to jam with people and stuff. You're never gonna feel ready. So it's kind of, you gotta go out on a limb sometimes and just say, like, especially if you can learn a couple of songs that and you go to a jam session and you can call those songs so that you can, you're comfortable playing them. That's the first step, I think. And then that way you're in your comfort zone, you're playing the song, but you're also getting out there and meeting people and you're getting to perform on stage or at a jam session, So that's what I would recommend for sure.